Guess what? It's time to build another shower, guys. Woo! Let's knock it out. This is how they come to me. Now I've got 3 of them. And you're probably wondering why has he got 3 of them when you only need 2 to make a shower? Well, that's because I've come up with a new design so you can get the headroom. Because when they stack on top of each other, there's not quite enough headroom. So we're going to solve all that, and we're going to make one that's got some decent headroom in it. Just wait, it will all make sense very soon. So they come with soap liquid in them. I was told by the manufacturer, or by the guy that sells these, that like that's like really good soap, and they come with about sort of like $100 worth of soap, but I don't know, I just kind of don't really trust it, so I will be collecting it and getting rid of it properly, because so each one of these has got that in it, so we're going to drain it out, cut the tops off, and then water blast them out, get them clean, and then go from there, and then start putting them together, and yeah. Well, don't think you would have seen, because just got in the mix. As you can see, put an extension on it. Alright, so you get another tube, doesn't cost you next to nothing. Goodness me, that was a double negative, my bad. Hate double negatives, don't do it. But yeah, so you... Well, in typical Omni Builder style, I have jumped ahead, because I need to figure out how that was going to get done. So as you can see, I now have a way higher shower, and it's way tidier. Look at that, so pretty. Still going to put a few more rivets in to make sure it's not going to move at all. Probably a rivet on every piece of metal, so that it is solid as heck. And then maybe a little bit of a trim around the edge, but I'm not sure if it really needs it. And then, yeah, onto the door. Just rip the doors. Hello, Dash. How you, buddy? So, just building the door frame. Once the door frame's in, then I can look at the shelf. Once the shelf is done, then I can look at the floor, and then finally, it's the door that goes inside. But yeah. I am really stoked with this. This is a massive improvement, and it's, last time the top of the tank came to about here. That was the top of the tank. Now it's all the way up here, and you know, like a 6'5" person can have a shower in here, not a problem at all. Not a problem, and the door's much higher too. So I believe I've quite clocked this whole shower business, and I am super stoked. I just, really revved up to get this done, and then you guys can see the finished result and the height. Man, what a massive improvement. I don't need to heat the plastic or anything. So for the cost of another plastic tub, which was, not that much, but for the problems it solves, huge. Don't need to join nothing, don't need to worry about it leaking. That's watertight. because water always goes down, right? That's never going to leak. That's just, it is rock solid. I am so stoked. It just looks so tidy. But yeah, let me know what you think. Yahoo! Sunday morning. Oh man, did I make a mess yesterday or what? And working out of a single garage is not easy when you got all this sort of gear.
Morning, Dash. Hello, puppies. How you doing? Hi, how you doing? Here's your good puppies.
So, bit of a spruce up, and then it is into door mounting and shelf building and base building, and then this thing is ready for staining. And yeah, holy heck, I'm really stoked with this shower. Did I say how happy I am with the height? I'm like so happy with that. Oh mate, yeah, I'm stoked to see the customer's face actually when I deliver it to him. I think he's going to be quite stoked, because yeah, no one else has done this. No one. And these are all over the internet. People have had a go, and I've seen a lot of people have a go, but they have not worked out to lift it higher and do that sleeve. So if I help the internet a bit and it sets me apart from my slight competition here in New Zealand, because there's a few guys that do these, but just not as nice as mine. Just saying, just quietly. But yeah, it's going to come up $1 million. It's going to look awesome, and my client is going to be stoked. All right, let's sort out this mess. Oof.